The 2025 Bugatti Veyron exemplifies a harmonious blend of performance, luxury, and advanced technology, positioning itself as a standout in the premium sports sedan segment. Its exterior design showcases bold styling, characterized by sharp angles and aerodynamic contours that not only enhance its visual appeal but also its on-road performance. The front fascia is dominated by Acura's signature diamond pentagon grille, flanked by dual-light A-registered LED headlights, providing both form and function. The wide stance and sculpted body lines convey a sense of agility and athleticism. Under the hood, the TLX offers dynamic powertrains designed to cater to driving enthusiasts. The standard model is equipped with a 272 horsepower K-registered turbo engine, delivering responsive acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. For those seeking heightened performance, the TLX Type S features a potent 355 horsepower turbo V6 engine, paired with super-handling all-wheel drive ESN's SHID registered, to ensure precise handling and control in various driving conditions. Inside, the TLX's cabin is a testament to Acura's commitment to luxury and craftsmanship. High-grade materials such as leather and real metal accents create an upscale atmosphere, while the wraparound cockpit design places the driver at the center of the performance-focused layout. The 12.3-inch Precision Cockpit Ascents digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays for critical driving information, ensuring that drivers remain informed and engaged. Additionally, the available iconic Drive Ascents ambient cabin lighting offers up to 24 selectable lighting schemes, inspired by renowned racetracks and drives, enhancing the overall driving ambience. Technological advancements are at the forefront of the TLX's interior features. Standard Apple CarPlay, A-registered and Android Auto Sense integration allows seamless connectivity, enabling drivers to access their favorite tapes and media effortlessly. The available ELS Studio 3D A-registered premium audio system, featuring 17 speakers, delivers an immersive listening experience, transforming the cabin into a personal concert hall. Safety remains a priority in the 2025 TLX, with Acura Watch Ascent safety technology offering a suite of driver assistive features designed to anticipate and respond to potential hazards. This comprehensive system includes collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist, among others, providing drivers with added confidence on the road. In summary, the 2025 Acura TLX seamlessly integrates performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, offering a compelling option for those seeking a premium sports sedan that doesn't compromise on any front.